This video is for the CLIC 7 and the CLIC 10 group, and it is Thursday the 27th of January. Today your success criteria is I can double a 2-digit number. We can see here that we have some big math remember twos. So this is a strategy that we're going to use to complete our task today. The first thing that we have to do is we have to partition the 2-digit number. The next part is we have to double the tens. Step 3, we have to double the units. And lastly, we then have to put them back together again. So let's look at an example of that. So if I asked you to double the number 21. So step number 1, remember, is to partition the 2-digit number. So let's get our sticks out and let's partition. Here I have how many tens, boys and girls? Yes, I have 2 tens, which is written as 20. 2 and a 0, 2 tens. And how many units do I have here? I've just got 1 by itself. So that says we've completed step number 1. Step number 2 is that we have to double the tens. So let's double our number 20. Double is like when we times the number by 2 or we add it together. So another way to say it is 20. I had 20 times 2, so let's find double 20. If you're not too sure, you could look at a familiar number there, which is 2. We know what double 2 is. It's 4, but remember it was 20, so it's 40. That's us, we have done step number 2, we've doubled the tens. Next thing we have to do then is we have to double our units. Doubling the number 1, boys and girls. So 1 add 1, 1 times 2, double 1. And the answer would be 2. That's right. So there we go, we've now doubled our units. Our last step is that we have to put them back together again. So 40 add 2 is 42. Simple as that, boys and girls. That's us used our steps. Let's try another example then, boys and girls. So the question is 43 this time, we have to double it. So let's go back to remember twos. We have to partition it first of all. How many tens? Yep, 4 tens, 40. How many units? 3. Okay, check, done that. Now we have to double our tens first of all. So double 40. If you're not too sure, remember what's double 4 and then add your 0 and you would get 80. Let's double the units this time, boys and girls. So double 3. 3 add 3 is 6. Last one then, boys and girls, is we have to put them back together again. 80 add 6, that is 86. So boys and girls, in CLIC 7 just now, you can go ahead and pause this video and try that. Remember to come back and watch it if you're not sure, or you can ask me in our live sessions or just post a message on Teams. If you're in CLIC 10, then you keep watching just now because I'm going to show you some more examples which are the same method but maybe slightly trickier, okay? So still using the same remember twos, but our numbers might be slightly trickier. So for example, if I have 67, so still number 1 is partition our numbers. We have how many tens? 6 tens. How many units? 7 units. So we've done that. Then we have to double our tens. Again, you know what double 6 is. Double 6 is 12, but remember we have to put that 0 on the end because it was 60. So we've done that. Now we have to double our units. What's double 7? 7 add 7, and it would give us 14. So we've done that. Last thing, we have to put that together. So 120 add 14. So we have 100 and 20 add 14. So remember to add up your hundreds, tens and units correctly. Have I got any hundreds in this number? No, so our 100 is going to stay the same. Have I got some tens? Yes, so my tens number is going to change. Have I got some units? Yes, my units number is going to change. So 120 add on 110 and 4 units would give us 134. Let's try one more example, click 10, and then you can go ahead and try that. So next one, say I had the number 84, and I'm going to double that. So again, first step to partition our numbers. How many tens have I got? 8 tens. How many units? 4 units. Then we have to go ahead and double our tens. Double 80. Double 8 we could do first of all. 8 add 8 is 16. Remember and put your 0 on the end as well because it was 80. Let's double our units now. Double 4. 4 add 4 is 8. And last step we have to put that back together. 160 add on 8 would be 168. Okay, so click 10. If you could go and try that just now then. Please remember to upload your work onto Class Dojo or onto Teams assignments. If you do have any questions, you can ask me in our live sessions or you can post a message on Teams. Thank you very much and good luck.